Good morning guys. Nahuman na day ko ang gabi guys. Himo og photo vlog ni Kian. Tabangan ako siya kadto sa kabalo. Ano siya ang kuan guys. Wala kayo ko nagbutang og art tungod kay kuan siya lalaki mo ang tag-iya. So karon guys, may pakita sa inyo kani. Ano lang siya. Tang lang namo siya og ikot mga kuan ni ate collection. Kani guys, manano siya ang first page. Kabutang ginha dayon second with caption na siya guys. Simple lang siya kay kuan lang na. First year pa man po siya. Yan, with captions. And the captions English na siya guys. Napoy uban. Bisaya ano guys eh. So, nagkani mga pictures dito ni sa dahilayan. Tuning laag siya. Ayan. Next. Ano lang siya kasimple guys. Na. Yan. And this one. Siyempre siya guys. No? Kay kung ano siya lalaki, siguro kung babae ang tagyan ni guys, more kanang additional mga sequins ganun, mga naibutang. And also this one ano siya caption guys, pero di lang maklaro tungod kay sa reflection na siya, pero na siya caption. And also ano siya ang trivia guys sa dahilayan. Well, dili lang man kay dahilaya ng anggi adto ang mga pictures anggikan. Some pictures also coming from the Pearl Farm sa Kabantian ganon na. Well, anyway, pag imo ning basahon, mabasa nimo kung sa sigikan for what picture is all about ganon. So, only dahilayan nga nagbutang kong trivia tungod kay most of the pictures from dahilayan lang gud siya. From dahilayan. So, that's why makong butang trivia. Siya. And lastly, mo na ni siya. So, that's it guys. Forma na siya. Partial fulfillment of the requirements in MAPI subjects submitted by the teacher nila. I will actually guys, these requirements is for MAPI subject. So, nag-uan siya kay gamay ka sa grado last time. 77 kayo. Uy. Yung kamot ko siya, pero ambot kung ano, 77 jud. Pangit siya sa basta dili lang gud siya, dapat simple lang man gud siya kay lalaki man siya. Isud pug akong pagpapahan pa beautify pa nato lalaki man siya. So okay lang. Trivia guys ha. Basahon ako ang trivia guys ha. Dahilayan Adventure Park and Forest Park in Bukidnon, Philippines. Attractions. Dahilayan Adventure Park has many attractions, including the first extreme pendulum swing in the Philippines, the first roller coaster in Asia, and the first alpine mountain coaster in the Philippines. Dahilayan Forest Park is located at the foot of Mount Kitanglad, 4,700 feet above sea level. And by the way, Dahilayan Forest Park Resort was built in 2010. Rooms are decorated in warm earth tones and hues, and are air conditioned with cable in a private toilet and bath with hot water. So that was the resort has safety. The park is safe and equipped and the fully equipment. So you have nothing to worry about guys if you're going to Dahilayan, if you visit to Dahilayan, because they have fully equipped. And the tickets are per ride. So if you're going to pay if you're going to ride any rides, so you have to pay each of the rides. So, Dahilayan Adventure Park Resort is a tourist destination that offers an array of fun activities for the whole family and for all ages. Located at Barangay Dahilayan, Manolo, Fortec, Bukidnon. And Dahilayan, guys, is owned by engineer Elpidio Imparas. That's what uh, I have searched in Google. So, those are all, guys. Ang ganda naman. Okay lang siya. If you're going to open this one, you can see the real beauty of Dahilayan. Oh, don't bother the cover. It's just an cover. Thank you, guys.